Hello everyone. So in my today's video I'm going to teach you that how can you make your text as a curve text, and I will teach you one more effect, that is outline effect. So let's start this video. So first of all, we want to create a design, so click on this button and then write down poster. Take a poster of portrait size, increase the size of your poster like this. Now add the text on your poster by clicking on this tab text and then click on add a heading. Now write down your text. I am writing Canva animation. So this is my text and I want to make this text as a curve text. So you have to click on this tab effects and then scroll and then select this option curve. When you select this option, there are some options like this. We have one option where we can decrease the curve area. I have decreased the curve area as 53. I can increase the curve area as per my desire like this. So you can change the curve of your text according to your choice. Okay. And if you will take the slider on the negative portion, then it will move your curve on the upward direction. So which type of curve you want, you can choose. I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to change this curve in the opposite direction like this. Okay, and I will place this as the opposite of the above curve. Now I will change the color of the first curve as blue and I will change the second curve as orange. So this way you can make your text as a curve text. And now I'm going to add one more page in my poster and I'm going to show you one more effect, that is the outline effect. And I'm going to write down outline here, and after writing this, increase the size like this. Again click on effects and then select outline. So here is one option, that is outline. We have different type of outline available in Canva. So I'm going to paste this outline text here and I'm going to click on none option. I'm removing the outline effect that I already applied on this text. Now I will apply a new effect on this, that is the holo effect. When you click on this holo option, it will be look like this. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this. So this way you can create the effect on your text like this. Okay, and if you want to make a group of these three objects, just select by dragging your mouse and click on group option. It will create a group of your text, and now you can place this text as per your desired location, and you can increase or decrease the size of this text as per your choice like this. And if I want to duplicate this text, I can. So this way you can create the duplicate text like this. So I hope this is clear to you. This effect is clear to you. I'm going to teach you one more option, that is with the help of curve. So I have written curve here and I'm going to select the option effect and I'm going to select the option curve. So this way I have changed the text, curve text, and again I'm going to copy this text and I will change the curve of the second text like this. So it will give me a wave effect. Now I'm going to select these two text and I will group this text. Okay, I'm going to increase the size. Just duplicate this text and again apply the second effect as follow. Okay, and now I'm going to select these two and I'm going to duplicate these two, and this way I can create the text effect like this. If you want to insert some colors, you can also change the color as per your requirement. I have created in a black and white mode and I'm going to select this, and I have converted the whole text as a one object. Okay, so I think this particular effect, that is the curve effect, and the other one is the outline effect, both the effects are clear to you. So in my next video I'm going to teach you about the frames that we can insert in Canva, which we will use to insert the different pictures. So in my next video I will teach you that. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.